Hi friends, you are watching Learn to Update. Welcome to the another video of job news series. We have many more interesting job news covered in this video. Before starting the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated. And the first organization of this video is Amazon. So Amazon is hiring for catalog associate ABS UK. So we all know Amazon is one of the best product based company, and the skills for this job role is given here: strong written communication skills, good working knowledge of MS Office, typing skill of 40 words per minute with 100% accuracy, preferably a domain expert. So these are the skills and abilities are given here, and the basic knowledge, basic qualifications and preferred qualifications for this job role is graduation is any stream. So the graduates from BSc or BCom or BTech, so anybody can apply for this job role, but Excel knowledge is a must. And the next organization is TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, is hiring for management roles. They are going to perform an off-campus drive for these management graduates. The eligibility for this off-campus drive is given here. Background must be BTech, BE background prior to MBA. Integrated MBA is a must. Students of 2020 passing out batch are eligible, and some of the qualifications and eligibility details are given here. So you can apply by clicking on this link here. The end date for this registration process is 13th December. And the next organization is Arihant Group. Arihant Group is hiring for marketing executives. And any graduate, course specialization is any graduate or MBA can apply for this job role. And the target batch is 2019 to 2020. And the skill set for these job roles are given here. And the mandatory required interview processes and all the details are given in this website. And the education is also given here. So you can simply click on apply button and it will take you the further process. And the next organization is Salesforce. So Salesforce is hiring for a software engineering intern. So the people who completed their BE BTech in computer science can apply for this job role. So this is a kind of internship program, friends. So who are looking for software engineering internship can apply for this job role. They can apply by two mediums. First is apply with a Workday profile or apply with LinkedIn. And the next organization is ZE. So ZE is applying for diploma engineer training, and the people who completed their diploma or ITA in specialized fields can apply for these job roles. So this is only for diploma and ITI graduates. If you want to apply for this job role in this organization, you have to click here, hi, are you interested in this job role? So you have to chat something with this conversational bot. So I am interested. Then it will ask you some questions like, that's great, we have a few questions about your background and experience to get your application started. What's your most current or most recent job title? So he have to give title, and you have to do some conversation with this bot, and it will redirect you to the application page. And the next organization is Scient. Scient is hiring for trainee apprentice. So the people who completed their BE BTech can apply for this job role, and AutoCAD communication skills and telecom domain knowledge is must for these job roles. So the people who are interested and eligible for this job role can simply apply three ways. One is Workday profiles, and next one is LinkedIn profile, and Seek. So by any of these three mediums you can apply for these job roles. And the next organization is data scientist intern. So many people found it is hard to get a data scientist job role in nowadays. So those people who are interested in taking in data scientist profiles, they have to do some internships before. So this is a great opportunity for those people. So any bachelor's degree in computer science, mathematics or related field can apply for this job role. Any people who completed their BSc or BTech in computer science and mathematical fields, they can apply for this internship, and some of the requirements and training responsibilities are given here. So if you are eligible and interested for this job role, you can simply click on this apply now button, and it will take you the further processes. So this is all about today's job news, friends. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that big fat like button and share the video to the people who needs this the most. Thank you all for watching the video. Keep learning, friends.